When you first start working with WordPress and begin to add themes to your projects, it's important to understand that there's two major types of WordPress themes: block themes and classic themes. Understanding the difference between these is important because it affects how you design, build, and manage a website in WordPress. Block themes represent the modern direction of WordPress. They use something called full site editing, or FSE, which allows you to design your entire website visually using blocks. On the other hand, classic themes follow the traditional approach. They rely on PHP templates, the customizer, and often third-party page builders. Let me give you a little bit of history and evolution. Let's start with how we got here. Originally, WordPress only supported classic themes. These were built in the early 2000s and relied heavily on PHP templates and back-end development. They were designed mainly for developers, not beginners. That's why classic themes are still widely used today. Millions of websites depend on them. Entire ecosystems were built around them. Removing them would break a huge portion of the web. Later, WordPress introduced the block editor, also known as Gutenberg. This was used to modernize the platform. This shift happened to compete with tools like Wix and Squarespace, to make designs more visually and beginner-friendly, and to reduce the need for coding. Block themes were created to support this new approach, enabling full-site editing, drag-and-drop layouts, and consistent design systems. Block themes are built entirely for the block editor and use a visual drag-and-drop approach. Key features include that everything is built with blocks. This includes pages and posts. You can edit the entire site using the site editor. Templates are created with HTML and block markup. Styles are controlled through the theme.json file, and very little or no PHP is needed for layout. With block themes, you can visually edit headers, footers, and navigation. You can edit page templates, such as the home or blog post template. You can control global styles like colors, fonts, and spacing. Think of it like this: you're designing your entire website the same way you design a single page in a page builder. Classic themes use the older structure of WordPress. Key characteristics include that they're built with PHP template files such as header.php and single.php. The layout is controlled in code, not visually. Classic themes use the customizer for limited design changes. Classic themes often depend on widgets and menus. Structural edits usually require coding. What you can edit is visually limited to basic settings like colors and logos, and widgets in predefined areas. Think of it like this: you're working with a fixed layout and making adjustments rather than fully designing everything visually. Here's a quick comparison. Block themes use the Gutenberg editor, while classic themes use the classic editor and customizer. Block themes allow full site editing, and classic themes are more limited. Block templates are HTML based. Classic templates use PHP. Customization in block themes is visual and drag and drop, while classic themes often require code. Block themes are highly flexible and beginner-friendly, while classic themes are more developer-focused. This is really the core distinction between modern and traditional WordPress. Here's an easy way to think about it. A classic theme is like buying a house and repainting the walls. You can make changes, but the structure is mostly fixed. A block theme is like building a house with Lego pieces. You can rearrange, redesign, and fully customize everything. So when should you use each type? Use classic themes if you're working with an older or legacy website, you need deep PHP customization, or you're maintaining existing projects. Use block themes if you want a modern workflow, you're a beginner or non-coder, or you want full control without heavy coding. Each has its place depending on the situation. So why doesn't WordPress just replace classic themes? This is a common question. It's because they serve different audiences. Classic themes are still important for developers, legacy systems, and complex builds. Block themes are designed for beginners, designers, and modern workflows. WordPress is trying to support both worlds at the same time. So which one's better? Block themes are clearly the future, but the better choice depends on what you're building and who you're building it for. It's not always easy to distinguish whether you're using a block theme or a classic theme. So let me show you how you can tell. Here I have a fresh WordPress install. I'm currently using the default 2025 theme. This is what my page looks like, and it's pretty minimal because I haven't really put very much content into it. 2025 is a block theme. Sometimes you can tell by reading the theme details, and it will include the fact that it is a block theme, or it'll state it in the tags. But that's not always the case. The easiest way to tell that you're using a block theme is to check your menu. Under Appearance, if you just have themes and simply an editor, this is an indication that this is a block theme. I've also installed 2021, which is a classic theme. Let me activate this so that you can see the difference. Now 2021 is the active theme, and you'll notice in the menu bar that under Appearance, the sub-menu items are much different. We have many more choices, and things have been called out by category. This is an indication that this is a classic theme. Just to show you what it looks like in the front end, if we come back to the front end and refresh our page, this is this particular theme. Now, both of these themes have different default settings in regards to color, font family, etc. So they will look different by default. But the main thing that I want you to take away is the way in which you're going to augment the theme itself is much different. So if you're not sure if you're using a classic or block theme, just check under Appearance. And when you see the menu like this, you know it's a classic theme. If the menu is simply just the editor, then it's a block theme.